What up, what up? Today I'm gonna be working on my friend Marquise, buddy of mine, Chevy Cruze, the white Cruze. Some of you guys probably seen me work on this before, but he called me out here saying that he has a injector problem. Let me show you the Cruze over here. He has an injector problem. Y'all see that? This is a white Cruze. But he has an injector problem, and he had got that information from an auto parts store. And most, like I say, I have to check it myself anyways, because I can't, do money transactions based off of information coming off someone that's not a professional, or like the chances are that 50%, more than 50% chance that they're not a professional. So I have to rely on my own professional instincts and checking myself, and pretty sure hopefully I can lead him to a better direction. Or hey, you never know, man. Sometimes the auto parts stores are pretty good. You get a certain guy and they know what they're talking about and they nail it. But still, I have to make sure. Sorry for all the rambling, but I'm waiting for my homeboy to come from the gym. He's at the gym right now, so be right back.
Yeah, this is the brand new one. I came in the mail. I put that one on.
Oh, so that's brand new?
Yeah, I was brand new.
Like the plastic part broke?
Yeah, the plastic part broke off it, but we had ordered another one, so I was like, other than that, everything else was. And then it kept, then my engine light still was on.
I'm gonna go ahead and crank it up, see how it sounds. Recording whenever you're ready.
So already.
You can turn it around, look at you here if you want to. I mean,
this part?
just flip the whole lens around so you can look at the lens when you're talking or whatever.
Oh, okay. And then I hold this button there?
No, it's recording right now.
Oh, okay. All right. All right, we right here. This is my boy Mike.
What up? What up?
And we trying to figure out what is causing the problem on my car, my Chevy Cruze.
Tell them about how you went to AutoZone and they gave you some information, this and that.
I went to AutoZone and I actually went in there and they put it like they came outside and they put the tester on there, and then as soon as they put the tester on there, it was like less than like even 5 minutes. And he went back in there and he actually gave me a paper and just said, hey, this is the problem. So he told me it was my fuel injection. So then I just basically, that's what I thought. And then I had called Mike up, and Mike was the one that I could actually count on, to look at this part. So
Appreciate you, man.
oh yeah.
And I like doing business with AutoZone. I'm not talking down on AutoZone, but basically it's just a common thing. For me, fixing a part, I want to fix a part right the first time, so I have to trust my training that I've been doing and the professional skills, and make sure that get the right diagnosis the first time, because I know that part stores, and not just AutoZone, it's all part stores, they have scanners, but they really don't know how to use them, or they don't have that much experience with them, so they just kind of see the codes and they go with their first instinct what it might be, and they kind of mislead people to buying the wrong things. So I'm just out here trying to help people from getting misled and and shoot, do what I love doing. But what I'm going to do right now, he does have a P0171 P0171, which means the car is like the mixture of air and gas. I mean, there's too much air than there is gas, so that is kind of understandable to say there could be a bad injector. So right now what I'm about to do is do an injector balance test, and that's going to let me know if all the injectors are spitting out the right amount of fuel. So if they're spitting out the right amount of fuel, that lets me know that it's working mechanically. We're opening up and letting the fuel come out, and the electricity is working, which actually opening the fuel doors and letting the fuel come out. So I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna let you guys know if the test came out good or bad. Alright, so we just did the injection balance test, and we just ruled out that the injectors are not bad. All 4 of them are good because they're both dumping out 15 pounds of pressure each time I turn them on. So sucks that I'm doing this part-time right now, so we're gonna schedule this and we're gonna come back and get to the bottom of this another day. But at least we got some more information. We know that the fuel injectors are good. We're gonna check the spark plugs and pretty much probably do like a tune-up on here, change the air filter and all that kind of stuff. But peace, guys, and oh yeah, man, I appreciate my boy Marquise for letting me do my thing.
Oh yeah, I appreciate my bro Mike, man. He does a lot for me and helps out with my wife's car too. So you guys do an excellent job on fixing stuff. So that's why I holler at my boy. Already, glory to God.
Yeah.
God is good.
Good man. Check him out on social media. I'm gonna put all his links on there, so y'all can hit him up and y'all can chit chat with him. He's a good man. So peace, y'all.
All right, peace.